welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I am bringing you an intro to a new panning project. And this one was not created by me, and it was not created by Amanda, and it is not a Pantastic Ladies collab. I know, shocking. This was created, and I hope I pronounce her name right, Delyn, who is Outward Processing on YouTube, and Steph Lyons, and they kind of opened it up to a ton of us that wanted to join in, and there are a ton of us that have joined into this one. This is Partners in Cream. It starts January 10th, and I guess officially goes to the end of the year or January 10th of next year. I'm not 100% sure. It's supposed to be like a year-long project, but they've kind of given us open rein to take it longer if we want to, like if we have a lot of product. I'm not sure if at some point they're going to say, let's do round 2, or if they're just going to keep going, if they're just going to end it. I don't really know. Hopefully we'll get some more information as the year goes on. But this is all about your cream and liquid products, if I could speak, because a lot of us have way too much of everything, but the cream and the liquid products, they dry up, they go bad faster, and they're just at more risk to not get your money's worth. Words, Jessica, words. So they kind of created this project to encourage use of the products in your collection that are liquid or cream. So that is how Partners in Cream became, you know. I definitely think you should check out the creators. They're going to be listed down below. There's going to be a playlist down there, and there's also going to be a spreadsheet that has everyone that has joined in, and that's, as people join in, it's going to probably get updated with everyone. So, you know, keep checking back on that. I personally am going to be doing monthly updates, but they've left it pretty open so that it fits everyone that's joining in. It kind of fits their style, and you know, it's low pressure. It's very low pressure, which is nice because I have a lot going on, but I couldn't say no to this project. I just couldn't do it. So I have picked 5 products that I'm going to be working on. It was kind of like a 4 to 6, a 3 to 5. So I went for the 5, and I'm just going to keep it rolling, and, you know, see how I do with this one. All right, let's get into my products. I'm freezing. That's why I have my little sleeves up like this. So I'm not going to swatch for you today, but you've seen some of these products before. I'm going to get the boring ones out of the way first. This is the e.l.f. Shimmer Palette, and there are 2 pans in here that I would like to finish up. There is this one right here, which is kind of like a white shimmer, and this one is kind of like a pinky tan shimmer right there. They both have some pan, but I would like to get them used up so I can get this entire thing out of my collection. It's not worth a whole lot because, you know, e.l.f. is a drugstore kind of brand, but I've had it for a long time, and it's still good. I have used this fairly recently, like within the last few weeks, and the product is still good, but I need it out of my collection. I need to get it used up so I can get one more packaging out of my collection. That would be so, so nice. The next one is a depotted product. This is from the Jane Iredale palette, the medium color sampler palette. And this is a cream concealer. Notice it has some decent pan on that. I had this in my pie or pan and everything project pan along with this shimmer palette, and you know, I just got a jump start on it, and I think I should be able to get this finished up, yeah, in a few months. I would say that would be nice to get that out. Now the other 2 products are actually new products to my collection. They were Christmas presents, but I don't just want to use up old products. I want to enjoy some of the new stuff before it goes bad. And I have heard, I don't know if it's true because I just got these, but I've heard that these ColourPop BFF cream gel eyeliners do dry out fairly quickly. And this, look at this pretty purple. That is way too pretty to let that dry up and not be able to use it. I mean, it's purple. How can you go wrong with purple? So this one is brand new. I think I just swatched it. It really looks like the color of the packaging. So I'm looking forward to this. Y'all know that watch me regularly, that I love my purples. I love my pinks. I like color. I like color, truth be told. So I am going to enjoy that. I have quite a few purples in my Beauty A to Z project pan. I don't think I have any in my Pan That palette this year, but I have plenty of purples coming. And then this last product. This is the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects. I was told that is officially a lip topper. If I'm being completely honest, I do not see me using this as a lip topper. The person that gave it to me said that they have used it on their eyes, and it is, I guess, eye safe. I don't know. I would have to look that up. But when I swatched it, I was like, oh, that would be a nice eye topper. So I might try to use this on my eyes. There is like a little daylight in here, but I think it's just the way that the product settled. But it was new until I swatched it the other day. So if you want to see what it looks like, I guess I could swatch it on my finger. I'm that cold. I need to make some hot tea. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's really pretty. I should see if it dries down, because if it doesn't dry down, I won't put it on my eyes. But if it does dry down, then I can see me doing, you know, some interesting looks with that. But that is my 5 products. I'm kind of excited to be doing this. One, because I have way too many cream and liquid products that need to go through. Like, I need to do 10 years of this project in order to get through them all, because I just have that much. I think I have every smudge pot that e.l.f. ever made. Plus, I have other brands of cream eyeliners, cream eyeshadows. I don't know what my problem is, except that I own way too much. And you know, you guys do too. You guys own way too much. I'm not the only one. If you're watching panning, you probably own too much stuff. So we'll do this together. Again, I'm going to have the creators down below, everyone that has joined in and that will continue to join in, because I have a feeling that people are going to see this that haven't heard about it yet. They're going to see the intros and they're going to jump on this one because it's cream products and liquid products. I mean, who doesn't need to get those done in their collection? So keep an eye on that spreadsheet. Check out the playlist. Go binge. Make you some popcorn, some tea, whatever you want, and just binge everyone that's going to be on the playlist. And yeah, I think that is everything. I may have forgotten something important. You just never know with me what's going to go in my head and what's not going to come out of my mouth. It's a crapshoot with me. But if you guys have come from someone else's channel, welcome. I'm Jessica. I'm crazy and I love to pan, but I'm fairly harmless. So I would love for you to stick around. And if you're one of the people that have watched me for a while, y'all know that I'm crazy. Things aren't going to change. So I'm going to keep the crazy going. So all the new people around here, because my subscribers have definitely jumped up recently, welcome, thank you, and I hope you stick around. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.